Alright, so you'll notice that I have two pieces. I have our laser side, which is here. Oh, it's up here. Damn. I think these are perfectly my style, Jiff. And I found them first.
It's my turn.
Hey, they clicked. They clicked. Over there, look. This thing must be working.
What do they want? Can we trust them?
Yeah. We better not tell them what else is down here, though. I'm gonna go and talk to them.
Hey, if you're gonna go out there, we need some eggs, beer, Cheetos, and some cigarettes.
Cigarettes, Jiff? Really? You're a robot. You don't even smoke. And stay off that stuff. It's not good for you. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to him.
Don't forget jalapeno Cheetos.
Yes, dear. Now this is a format I'm not used to. Oh, that looks weird. Why do I look so weird? This is kind of a non-traditional video that I'm making here on the channel here, but should I pull my hair back or... Untamed lion's mane. It's taken me 2 years to grow this hair. I haven't cut it ever since, you know, that thing started 2 years ago. Having a real hard time figuring out what I want to do with the channel because I feel like there's a lot of competition for this type of channel, this type of tech channel, and tech channels in general don't really get a whole lot of attention because people's attention spans have been reduced, according to a Microsoft study, 25% down to like 8 seconds in the last couple of years. So that's very disturbing to me, and I've noticed it in myself as well. That's why we have TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all that stuff. You're all familiar with that. It's kind of a disturbing trend. I think that we're going in a direction that is very self-destructive, and it's one of the reasons why I decided to create this channel is because there was a spark in me years ago where I wanted to be able to make things. Electronics and robotics was something that was very attractive to me. I started with the discovery of like Nikola Tesla, and I was fascinated with, you know, kind of the lore that went around Nikola Tesla and all of his inventions, and a lot of them that we never got to see. I also enjoyed studying and listening to a lot of video content back in the day that was focused around alternative energy theories and claims and all that stuff, and that was the Wild West. That was the time of ancient aliens and stuff, like 2012-ish era. It was a lot of fun. I did a lot of reading, and it really opened my mind to the possibilities and the fact that everybody can learn how to create something, but it does take thousands and thousands of hours of dedication, and you have to really be passionate about it. And I am passionate about this hobby of electronics and robotics, and I feel like I'm still a beginner. I hope to provide some sort of simple explanation in layman's terms, because I had a really hard time learning how to do that, and I think a lot of people are turned off to the electronics robotics field because it just seems like this unapproachable thing. And then on top of that, most people, when they think of tech, they're thinking of smartphones, Android devices, tablets, you know, gaming and stuff like that. And I don't really think that's what tech should be defined as. I feel like that's a part of social engineering that is kind of tricking us, getting us cornered in to that one part of tech. And we're over-consuming a lot of content online. We're watching videos of people watching videos of people playing games.
What the hell is even that?
I enjoy video games. I enjoy watching that content, but at the same time, I feel like we're going in this very self-destructive, dangerous direction. And I don't know, I just want to be somebody in the mix that tries to bridge the gap between, you know, the unknowledgeable person who is looking for more in you know, in their life in terms of, you know, creating things or making things, and help them to understand simply the complex world of electronics and robotics. And if you look on Google, you'll notice that nobody's really searching for these terms. If you look at America, you'll notice that we've shifted from a country of, you know, makers and producers and industry builders that really made the country what it was, and we've become the ultimate consumer, which is the opposite end of that. And we're not really creating, and as human beings, we're hard-coded to enjoy creating things. And a lot of people have no idea. They're coming into this world and they have no idea. They have no idea why they're depressed. You feel better when you create things. Yeah, you'll get depressed and, you know, you'll think, oh, well, my thing's garbage, you know, but the process, it's more about the process of creating. I feel really good in the discovery process. You discover things that you're not good at, that you're good at, you set goals, and then you try to navigate through that. And A lot of people aren't doing that, and I think that's part of the reason why society is kind of losing its belief in itself, especially in the West. So now I think is a great time in our history to shift course and take the wheel back and make these topics more trending and make these kinds of infotainment type channels and videos that are designed to entertain and also to convey certain messages and information in a way that's easily digestible, because that's what we're used to now, and we can do that. I think we could do that. I think I could do that better, and that's kind of my plan, is to make it more digestible, shorter videos, and we'll see what happens. Let me show you what I've been working on, and it's been complete for a while. I just didn't know how to make a good video, because I have a video in my mind. I have the script written out months in advance, but the thing is, like, what is it worth my time? Is it worth my time to go in that direction and make a whole video and edit it and, you know, worry about whether it looks good and the music's right or whatever with my crappy editing skills? I need to find out more what people are searching for or interested in. So what I've done is, on my website at roboticsforbeginners.com, I have a poll. So as soon as you go to the website, whether you're on a mobile device or you're going there on a desktop PC, you will see a poll there, and I want to see what people are interested in. And if you don't want to go all the way to the website, just leave a comment below. Most people, they come and they watch the video and then they don't comment. Maybe it's because it's an uninteresting video. That's fine, I understand that. But at least leave a comment of what you wish I had covered, what you wish you had learned, or wish you could understand, or something like that. Anyway, let me show you how this laser triple arm that I devised works. All right, so here's my two pieces of my laser. This is a DIY laser triple arm system that I had an idea of when I had a dog that kept coming in the room and taking a piss all over whatever was on the floor. I devised this device. Whoa, big words there. I created this device, and it was my first 3D printed design, actually, and it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot more complicated than what I had previously believed, and there's some great tutorials, and I pointed them out in my previous videos. Go check them out. I also have this STL file available with the full tutorial written up on my website, roboticsforbeginners.com. Go check it out. You'll learn how to make both sides of these. It's a lot simpler than you might think. Let's take a look. Ooh, these look pretty good. I got the bait. Smells like beef. Here we go, ready? Gotcha! Gotcha! Was that yummy? Was that yummy? You're a good puppy. You're a good puppy. I would call that a successful test of my concept that I came up with a code and flashed it into the hardware. My DIY laser triple arm that I 3D printed is available in tutorial format and the STL files for free that you can 3D print yourself on my website, roboticsforbeginners.com. Check it out. If you don't have a 3D printer, that's fine. You can still learn about electronics, and you can learn in layman's terms that I use that help me to understand, because I'm not an engineer. I didn't go to school for any of this stuff. It's very difficult, and you need some help. So I hope to provide that help to you in the near future. And in the meantime, I already have some upgrade ideas that I have for this design that I want to include in future videos. Until then, stay grounded.